next continuation students, next example, electrophilic addition reaction. Next example, that is alkenes are undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. Here double bond is there. We know electrophilic addition reaction, this is also belongs to hydrohalogenation. Why? Because of one H plus is there, one Br minus is there. HBr, that means HBr it contains H plus and Br minus, bond breaking in between HBr. H plus is called electrophile, Br minus is called nucleophile. It is also non-polar solvent. In the presence of non-polar solvent, here generally bond shifting towards right hand side. Why? Because of left hand side is plus I group is there. This plus I group is always electron pushing, so that's why this bond shifting towards the right hand side only. We can write structure CH3 CH phenyl group, then this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. In electrophilic addition reaction, student, in electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is what? In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is H plus. This H plus will attack always negative charge side. This H plus will attack always negative charge side. So CH3 CH phenyl, this CH plus, then CH3. It is the intermediate compound is formed, that is the intermediate carbocation is the stable carbocation is formed. It is intermediate stable carbocation, that is the secondary carbocation. Intermediate stable carbocation is formed. And now next step, now what to do here, student, that is now nucleophile is left. This nucleophile is left. This nucleophile is, that is Br minus. This nucleophile will attack always positive species side. What is the product? We can write CH3 CH phenyl, that is CH Br, then CH3. This is the answer, student. This is the answer. So now here it is a minor product. It is the minor product. It is a minor product. What about that is major product, student? That is, what about that is major product? Here it is the secondary carbocation is there. It is a secondary carbocation. Now generally secondary carbocation is want to be tertiary carbocation. The secondary, that is shifting this positive charge, rearrangement of carbocation, shifting here. Secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. To purpose is the stabilization purpose. This is secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. Here this positive charge, secondary carbocation beside carbon having three different groups are there. One phenyl group is there, one hydride group is there, one phenyl group is there, one hydrogen is there, one methyl group is there. Out of these three, which one will shifting? That is, we know priority order. First priority goes to hydride. First priority goes to hydride shifting. Out of these three, which one is first priority? That is, first priority goes to hydride shifting. That is 1 2 shifting, 1 to 1 comma 2 shifting, that is H minus shifting, H minus shifting. This hydrogen will shifting towards right hand side. Hydrogen shifting towards right hand side. We get what is the intermediate compound, that is CH3 CH3. This is a phenyl group, then CH2, then CH3. This is the tertiary carbocation, that is rearrangement of carbocation. Here in this product, rearrangement of carbocation, here in this product, carbocation present on secondary carbon, positive charge present on secondary carbon, so that's why it is called secondary carbocation. But in this compound, that is positive charge present on tertiary carbon, so that's why it is called tertiary carbocation. Out of these two, which one is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is always more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is always more stable than primary carbocation. So here, out of these two, which one is more stable carbocation? That is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation due to the hyperconjugation. This tertiary carbocation, 5 hyperconjugates are present. This positive charge beside 3 carbons are there. This carbon right hand beside 2 carbons are there. Total in this compound 5 hyperconjugates are there. 5 hyperconjugates are there in this compound. Tertiary carbocation, 5 hyperconjugates are there. And what about this carbon? Here only 4 hyperconjugates are present. In this compound only 4 hyperconjugates are present. In this compound only 4 hyperconjugates, that is positive charge beside 3 here, one here, only here 4 hyperconjugates are there, here 5 hyperconjugates are there. So stability depends on number of hyperconjugates. More number of hyperconjugates, that is always more stable. So here this is a tertiary carbocation. So after that here student, that is nucleophile will attack nucleophile. The nucleophile means that is Br minus. This Br minus will attack always positive charge side. What is the final product? We can write the final product is CH3 C, here Br, this CH2, then CH3. This is the major product student, this is the major product. So here generally electrophilic addition reaction, alkenes are undergoes, alkenes and alkynes are undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. It is a very most important student. So these are the shifting of hydride, methyl, phenyl. Now first priority goes to hydride. First priority, we remember student, that is first priority shifting, that is H minus first priority. Then after that, if phenyl group is there, then phenyl group second priority. Then alkyl group, that is alkyl group money, that is tertiary alkyl, secondary alkyl, primary alkyl, and methyl hydride. This is the shifting of water student. You remember these are the electrophilic important electrophilic addition reactions student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.